All right, so when you get into your PromoRepublic, it will look somewhat like this, or if you have as many pages and groups in Facebook as I do. So this will be along the left-hand side. You can view your stuff via week or via month, and it'll show you what is going on. And what I want to share with you is this post idea thing right here. This is where PromoRepublic kicks everybody's butt. And this is why I love PromoRepublic so very much. Side note, there's an app to use this with Instagram that works so well. It's seamless, it's fast, it's easy, it's a no-brainer, makes life super easy. And my husband just created a new business or started a new business, and I let him use the PromoRepublic app, and it has made his life so much easier. Like, no brainer, don't have to think, have a bunch of engaging posts out there. So let me get into it. Here's post ideas. So across the top, you will see animated stories, articles, quotes, Instagram. And what I love so much is you can search by keyword. So you can, and because I am a book coach, this is why it's recommending some of these things, because it's getting smarter and smarter based on what I'm putting out there. So this one, between the pages of a book, is a lovely place to be. Do your kids love reading books? Which one is the favorite? So if I wanted to, I could just easily click this, and then it would take me to where I could schedule, and I can pick where I want to put it. This is my Facebook group. This is my Facebook page. That's generally where I put stuff. You can also have LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, like I said before. And so let's just hit schedule. And let's put this on for Sunday, just for kicks. And I'll leave the time because I think that time works pretty well. So now I can see where it is scheduled for Sunday, and then these are the ones that I've already scheduled for the upcoming week. What's really cool as well in this post ideas thing is not only just the graphics, like you see how beautiful these graphics are, right? Like, no brainer, you don't have to do anything. But this is the other one that I really love right here. Oh my gosh, articles. Articles. So different things that you share with your audience. Again, you can search by keyword if you want to. So let's do writing, just for kicks. Let's see what comes up for writing. And then I'm going to go into, oh, it didn't find anything for writing. That's so sad. So let's go with books. All right. So here are some articles about books. So 10 best summer books to read on the beach. DIY for the books, how to get custom built in shelves on a budget. That looks cool. I've seen some really good memes with these really cool bookshelves that I really hope that somebody will build me. All right, so I usually go into here and check the article just to make sure that it's fun, that it's in alignment with my business, that there's not any kind of surprises there. And yeah, it looks pretty cool, right? So I can go ahead and take this now, and I'm going to put it in the same spots because that's usually where I post it. And I might put in here, someone want to come build this way. Pretty, please. And then I can take and schedule this. Now I know I've got some other things going out, so let me post this for Friday. And then I'll schedule that. So now I have articles that are getting shared out there as well. Is that not the coolest thing? I mean, and there's, editor and statistics, but we will go into that on a different day. This post ideas thing is such a time saver and makes this thing a total no-brainer to get. I love it. I've been using it for a few months now. Ooh, maybe more like half a year. And this has totally cut my time down by at least a half or more.